Okay, so if you've clicked on that video, it is most likely because your shoulder or your neck is not doing great. Today, this is what I want to help you with. If you are part of one of these 3 points I'm going to mention now, then stick around and just follow my guidance and we'll make it happen. Number 1, your shoulder mobility is very poor, meaning that if you try to raise your hand up, it always feels that there's a lot of limitation. Number 2, this whole shoulder here area and neck is feeling tense and tight, and you cannot get rid of it no matter what you do. Massages, dry needling, you name it, nothing is helping. If this is you, put a comment below. Yes, it's me, let's do it. Now, number 3, it's finally if you have some triggering or some pain going up to the front of the chest or maybe to the back in between your shoulder blades, what we're gonna do now is most likely going to help for that too. Before we get started, there's one thing you need to know, okay? Is that first, if you have shoulder pain, you have most likely neck pain. Those two goes together. They cannot be forgotten simply because there are muscles at the back connecting shoulder and neck together. And finally, you will see that the shoulder is not just the shoulder here. When you look with a more fascia perspective and you look at the real connection of the muscle to the skeleton or to the rib cage, it goes from here to there and at the back as well on your scapula. This is your shoulder. All right, now without further ado, let's get started. Okay, there we go. So before we get started with the release, first check your shoulder. Move your shoulder up, open, check the neck, check how the rotation feels. Just get a general feeling on how you feel around the shoulder and neck before we get started on the release. So for this release, like I said earlier, we're gonna need a medium-sized ball or a kettlebell if you don't have a medium-sized ball. I would highly recommend you using a towel as it can be quite intrusive because we are going to go on the side here. We're going to take care of the muscle area of the serratus anterior. How to find it? You just lay down on the floor and try to move shoulder and elbow together and look around this area here. You see the contraction automatically. It's like a thong, like thongs. Here, you feel it? This is where we're going to go. We're going to go around here and a little bit higher underneath the armpits, okay? The way I set myself up is put the ball here, put the towel on top, not too thick, not too thin, just adjust as you go, you know? And then I'm just gonna, this arm controls my body going down, and this is where I go again, around the nipple, okay? And I go down, and I'm telling you, I feel it already. I did 2 days ago, so it's not too sensitive. So most likely, if you've never done it, be gentle. I'm controlling here and with my hand here as well. And I'm doing like a sponge, up and down sometimes, and I let the ball pushing the fascia and rehydrating. What happens when the fascia is dehydrated is going to create pain itself, and it's avoid gliding, so avoid you being able to move your shoulder properly. So you see I'm traveling, going a bit at the back, and keep in mind that this muscle as well, the serratus anterior, helps to move your scapula, which is the bone at the back, like the wings that can wing sometimes, unfortunately, and move it forward when you want to reach up with the arm forward. And if this dehydrated, it doesn't fire anymore, so it won't be easy for you to really bring your arm up as well. Less support. So you see I'm going here and I'm really just taking it easy, really trying to feel and going a bit more around my armpit. What I can do with my arm, I can keep my elbow here if I want to, or I can just extend my arm away and just push with my fingers like this to lift my arm, to create space, like I'm trying to lengthen this whole line here. And the importance is on the exhale. Long exhale, pushing everything out, making sure you're not holding anything, and make sure you're relaxing. And that's it. Have a look around And what you do, of course, afterwards is you check how you feel, the overall, the globality around this area, tension wise, mobility wise. Of course, check the other side as well. Keep it up. So how was it for you? Personally, that release, I do it probably 2 or 3 times a week. It's just something you need to involve, you need to include in your routine. If you want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe. Next week, there's gonna be a nice video on myofascial release as well, to release the whole neck and the head as well, maybe headaches as well. So stay tuned, and don't forget that if you like the video, click on the like button, and otherwise, see you guys soon. Take care.